Up guys, we're back again today with a follow-up video on the Cobb shift knob install. This video is going to be mainly about like my first impressions on it. I've been driving it around for about a day now. I installed it yesterday. If you guys don't know, I actually do DoorDash to try and make some money for the mods that I want to get done on this car. So without further ado, here is the shift knob. So, covered this a little in yesterday's video in the install, but I'll just quickly go over it again about my favorite things about it aesthetically, and then what I've noticed driving around. So first off, my favorite thing aesthetically definitely has to be this anodized aluminum band on the bottom. Gives it a nice touch. I actually chose this one because it matches the red stitching like here and here, kind of tie the interior together. Like I said in yesterday's video, I chose the white one over the black because here in California, especially in the summer, didn't want it to get as hot. Additionally, I don't know what kind of material this is. It's some sort of machined plastic. I don't want to say plastic because that makes it sound low quality, but it's some sort of really high density plastic, almost like a metal, but you can kind of tell it's been machined down. Has a awesome feel to it. Fits perfectly in the palm of my hand. Makes it a lot easier actually to slot into the gears. I actually had some trouble before with third and fifth gear. Sometimes it would get stuck and wouldn't let me go in. This one allows me to feel it a lot better. Additionally, I feel like it's actually helped my shifting a lot. So disclaimer, this is actually my first manual transmission car. Before this, I've driven all automatics. I've learned how to drive stick, like in terms of like how to move a car around in like parking lots and stuff, and knew the basics, but never dailied one. And this shift knob actually helped a lot. And the reason behind that, I believe, is I get a lot more feedback in terms of feeling what's going on in the transmission and with the clutch engagement. And originally I didn't really know why, but I think I figured it out. So on the stock shift knob, I was looking at it. If you look at the threads on the inside, it was actually kind of a rubberized material. And I don't know if you guys saw it in yesterday's video, but I had to hand crank it off, whereas this one kind of just spun on. And that's because this anodized aluminum goes all the way through the middle. And so I think because of that, you get a lot more of the vibrations and feedback from the transmission in the shift knob itself. There's no difference in noise in the cabin or anything, but because of that, I've actually gotten a lot more vibrational feedback, and it's helped me a lot with performing smoother shifts. So definitely love that. It is actually quite a bit lighter, and I know a lot of people like to get weighted shift knobs. I haven't been able to tell a difference. Don't worry, I got the clutch in, but it actually moves a lot easier, in my opinion, and I get a lot more feedback out of this one compared to the stock one. So definitely an upgrade I would recommend for anyone with a WRX or STI, especially if you don't have the short shift, because it's definitely improved feedback. Love the look of it in the car. Every time I touch it, feels great. Doesn't get hot in the hot sun. So that's my overall review, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna be doing, hopefully this weekend, an install video and first impressions on the Remark axle back exhaust, so you guys can look forward to that. But yeah, overall definitely would recommend. It is an expensive shift knob. I think it was about $70 on Cobb's website, but like I've said in the past, Cobb has always treated me with the best care and customer support. They've helped me through everything when I had when I daily drove my 335 BMW. That's for sale actually, so if anyone's interested in it, send me an email or comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. But had a lot of stuff for that car. I had a Cobb charge pipe, filter, tune, access port, and a Burger Motorsports front mount intercooler. But everything that I got from them was always the highest quality, and they always gave me the best customer support possible, so I'd love to support them even though they are a little bit more expensive than some alternatives. But yeah, definitely would recommend to anyone who's thinking about it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.